Welcome to Auto Inside, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we have something truly special, an Icon Reborn. The 2025 Chevrolet 3000 100 vintage pickup is a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern engineering, bringing classic truck lovers a dream machine with all the latest technology and performance. Starting with its design, the 2025 Chevrolet 3000 100 pays homage to the legendary 1950S model with its signature rounded fenders, prominent grille, and classic Chevrolet badging. The vintage-inspired headlights and chrome accents give it an authentic, old-school charm, while the modern LED lighting seamlessly integrates into the retro. The body is sculpted with a mix of aluminum and high-strength steel, ensuring durability while keeping the weight in check. The truck sits on stylish yet rugged wheels that maintain the vintage aesthetic while offering modern performance. Moving to the interior, this is where Chevrolet has truly outdone itself. The cabin is a perfect fusion of classic styling and cutting-edge technology. The dashboard retains a retro look with analog-style dials and a horizontal speedometer, but underneath lies a fully digital instrument cluster, providing real-time vehicle data. The leather-wrapped steering wheel has a classic thin rim design, but comes with modern controls for convenience. High-quality materials, including premium leather seats, wood grain accents, and soft touch surfaces, elevate the experience, making it feel luxurious yet nostalgic. An infotainment system with a large touchscreen is neatly integrated, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. Even though it's vintage on the outside, the inside is equipped with modern conveniences like climate control, wireless charging, and a host of driver assist features. Under the hood, Chevrolet offers multiple engine options to cater to different driving preferences. A modernized version of the classic small MV V8 delivers impressive power and torque, ensuring that unmistakable growl with every throttle push. For those looking for a more eco-friendly option, a hybrid powertrain is available, combining efficiency with solid performance. An all-electric version has also been rumored, bringing the classic 3100 into the future with instant torque and silent operation. No matter the choice, the truck is built on a re-engineered chassis that offers smooth handling, improved suspension, and the capability to handle both city streets and rugged terrains effortlessly. On the road, the 2025 Chevrolet 3000 100 delivers a balanced driving experience. The updated suspension system absorbs bumps while maintaining the stability expected from a classic truck. The steering is precise, offering a responsive feel whether cruising down the highway or navigating tight urban streets. Thanks to modern safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, the truck offers peace of mind along with its vintage appeal. When it comes to pricing, Chevrolet has positioned the 3100 as a premium offering. The base model starts at approximately $55,000, with higher trims and additional features pushing the price upwards of $75,000. While it's not the cheapest truck on the market, its blend of history, craftsmanship, and modern technology makes it a worthy investment for collectors and enthusiasts alike. The 2025 Chevrolet 3000 100 is more than just a truck, it's a statement. It brings back the golden era of American pickups while incorporating the advancements of today's automotive world. Whether you're a classic car lover or someone looking for a stylish, high-performance ride, this truck offers the best of both worlds. Let us know what you think about the 2025 Chevrolet 3000 100 in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content. Stay tuned for more reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.